How to reorder your last McDonald's meal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reorder your last McDonald's meal. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your McDonald's app. After you've done that, tap on the order option on the bottom bar here. Tap on order. And after you tap on order, you will see this section where you'll find quickly reorder. That is, all of your previously ordered meals or everything that you've ever ordered will be right here. If you want to expand on that, you can tap on view all button. After you tap on view all, you will simply need to tap on reorder. And after you tap on reorder, it will be added to your, cart, and you can simply check out to simply buy that meal that you last ordered. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.